Greetings guys, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we will be looking at the Aperture Mod. First, you'll need the Aperture Mod itself, along with the usual Blockbuster mods. Once you're in Minecraft, the first thing you'll want to do is assign a key to the camera editor in the controls. Great! Now you can press this key to open the camera editor. The layout is simple. At the top, you have the toolbar, and at the bottom, you'll find the timeline bar. In the timeline, you'll see all the fixtures of your camera profile, each with its own color. We'll explore these fixtures in detail in the next video, but for now, let's focus on the basics. The timeline is measured in ticks, but if you prefer, you can switch to seconds in the aperture settings. The first number before the line tells you the current tick you're on, while the second number shows the total length of your timeline. The number above the line shows how many ticks you are into the current fixture. You can also zoom in and out with your mouse wheel and drag the timeline by holding down the mouse wheel. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's take a look at the toolbar above. Starting from left, you can modify fixtures like changing their order, adjusting their duration, or splitting a fixture into two parts. In the center, you'll find the playback control buttons, which lets you play the timeline or jump back and forth between ticks. But it's even easier to use the spacebar and arrow keys. On the right side, you have buttons to add, duplicate, replace, or delete fixtures. We'll cover more on that in future videos. And finally, on the far right, hidden in the burger menu, are the camera profiles where you can save your camera movements. Saving. Super important. Later, you can choose these profiles and play them using the playback button. But that's it. We're done. We wish you a lot of fun making creative videos with the Blockbuster mods. See you next time.